Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear rice lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. Preparing flavorful rice becomes easier when every ingredient is measured correctly for the number of servings you need. That's where the Jeera Rice recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Jeera Rice is a classic Indian rice dish made with Basmati rice, cumin seeds, ghee and aromatic whole spices. The earthy aroma of roasted cumin, combined with fluffy basmati rice, gives the dish its distinctive flavor and texture. Popular in homes and restaurants, it pairs well with dals, curries, paneer dishes, rajma, and other gravies. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator automatically adjusts the ingredient quantities for your selected serving size. The page provides useful recipe information, including preparation and cooking times, diet type, difficulty, calories, and cooking method. You'll also find cooking notes, famous info highlights, and a nutrition estimate covering calories, carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Choose optional add-ons like onion, cashews, coriander, or lemon juice to bring extra flavor, texture, and variety to the dish. Below the calculator, the ingredients section displays the updated quantities based on the number of persons you've selected. Right beside it, the preparation steps guide you through the complete process from washing and soaking the rice until it's ready to serve. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once your ingredients are ready, wash the basmati rice 2-3 times until the water becomes clear. Soak the washed rice for 20 to 30 minutes, then drain it completely before beginning the cooking process. Heat ghee or oil in a pan, then add cumin seeds, bay leaf, cloves, green cardamom, and cinnamon. Fry the spices for about 30 seconds until aromatic. If you've selected onion, add the thinly sliced onion and sauté it until lightly golden. Next, add the soaked and drained rice, then stir gently for 1 to 2 minutes without breaking the grains. Add the required water and salt, cover the pan, and cook over low heat for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. Once cooked, allow the rice to rest for 5 minutes, then gently fluff it. For a restaurant-style taste, use aged basmati rice and ghee as recommended in the cooking note. Serve it hot with dal fry, paneer curry, rajma, or your preferred curry or gravy for a satisfying meal. Simple preparation and classic ingredients make this a versatile rice dish for family meals and special occasion alike. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.